Okay, good morning, students. So today I'll be teaching you all on the new topic, okay? So the name of the topic is unconscious patience. So you can like write it down the heading, okay? Unconscious patient. Unconscious patient, you can write down. Have you written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You write down the heading, okay? Unconscious patience. So when you heard the term unconscious, okay, what comes in your mind? Unconscious. First up, what comes in your mind when people talk about unconscious?
Means
First up, okay. Birwashri, tell me what is unconscious. Hurry up, hurry up. I want to complete fast. Don't waste time, please.
ma'am is ma'am when a person is unable to respond.
Yes, it's very simple now. Unconscious from the name itself and UN from the words itself you can know ना. Conscious तो सबको पता है. उसका opposite क्या है? Unconscious. So okay, thank you, Costa. Okay, is it visible, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And every one of you are known with the term unconsciousness, which we keep on like explaining and discussing, okay? Like, so now let us see the real meaning, okay, behind unconsciousness. So unconsciousness, it is a state, okay, in which the casualty or the victim becomes insensible to commands, okay? When you command, he is insensible, okay? Okay, insensible. How many sense organs do we have?
5, ma'am.
What are they?
Sight, smell, touch, hear, or
Okay, you say like this. Whenever people ask you, na, what are the name of our sense organ? Na? Say sense organ. So you just mention eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin, or simply like that. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin, like that. Eyes, see your face, touch your eyes. Okay. Eyes का बाद क्या आता है? थोड़ा कोना में देखो, कान आता है ना, ear, eyes, ear. उसका बाद सीधा ऐसा नीचे आओ, nose. नोज का नीचे क्या है? माउथ का अंदर में टंग है ना, उसमें ही तो टेस्ट बड वगैरह फील होता है ना, टेस्ट वगैरह ये सब फील होता है. तो आईज, देन यू जस्ट गो टू द कॉर्नर, देन ईयर, आईज, ईयर, देन नोज, टंग, एंड आफ्टर दैट स्किन. When people pinch you also you can feel na that those are the like sense organ. That is the technique of memorizing. Are you clear, all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So unconsciousness, it is a state in which the casualty become insensible to command because of an interruptions to the normal functioning of the brain. Because like the casualty will become unconscious now, unconsciousness क्योंकि there will be interruption in the normal functioning of the brain. Okay, so a person has perhaps lost consciousness if he does not react to your actions by opening his eyes or answering your questions. So when we term or call the person in a conscious state is when he does not react to your actions. You're performing actions and then he does not even bother or care. Okay, he doesn't give any reaction. That is the first point. And the other one is like when you talk or like whatever it is, he doesn't even open his eyes or blink or whatever it is, or did not even bother to answer your questions. Okay, that means there is in some interruption in his normal functioning of the brain. Okay, due to that he could not, like, he's insensible to the command that you perform. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. There is no absolute dividing line between consciousness and unconsciousness. You can't divide. Okay, there is no dividing line between consciousness and unconsciousness. क्यों? Conscious होने से तो conscious. People can be fully conscious का मतलब they are aware, they are awake. Okay, बुलाने से भी सुनता है, awake होता है. Okay, they give response. Okay, और fully unconscious का मतलब ये reaction ही नहीं देता. Okay, and does not give reaction to any stimuli. Okay, or any stimuli or stimulus. Okay, or at any level between these two extremes, this conscious unconscious, there is no dividing line. एकदम अलग है. Conscious means उसका meaning है अलग, unconscious is totally अलग. So this was just the brief introductions of unconsciousness. Okay, so you can just define like this, that it is when the casualty become insensible to the command that is given to him or her. Okay, why is insensible to the command? Because there is some because there is some interruption in the normal functioning of his brain. Okay, due to that he is insensible to the command. Are you clear that much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Okay, next. Next is in fainting. You heard about fainting, right? Fainting. इंसान फेन अचानक से लाइक असेंबली में फेन हो जाता है, तो फेन होने के बाद उसको लाइक शेक करने से भी लाइक वो लाइक he or she doesn't give response ना, that sometimes unconscious state में हो जाता है. So in fainting the unconscious state is usually brief, as in vasovagal syncope. So have you heard what is vasovagal syncope? I think you heard about this, but still I'll ask you all. In fainting, the unconscious state is usually brief, बहुत brief है. Okay, fainting का time में जो unconscious state में जो इंसान होता है ना, वो उसका जो unconscious state है वो बहुत brief होता है. Okay, as in vasovagal syncope. So what is vasovagal syncope? I think you will know this.
No idea, ma'am.
Anyone?
Drop in heart rate, ma'am.
What did you say?
Drop in heart rate and blood pressure.
Sudden drop in a heart rate.
Okay. It's correct. Okay, so you can also simply call like this vasovagal syncope. It is one kind of condition. Okay, that it is a condition. ये एक condition है जहाँ पे like it leads to fainting. Okay, it leads to fainting. It is a condition. It leads to fainting. Okay, and उसका दूसरा नाम भी होता है. It is also called as neurocardiogenic syncope. It is also called as neurocardiogenic syncope. Or you can also call it as a reflex syncope. So while I'm explaining, if you want to jot it down, you can write down all these things. It is a condition that leads to fainting. Okay, in some people, not in every people. It is a condition that leads to fainting in some people. It is also called neurocardiogenic syncope or reflex syncope. ये जो vasovagal syncope का ये जो condition है ना, ये सबसे common cause of fainting है. This is the most common cause of fainting. Are you clear? This is the one of the common causes of syncope because ये जो vasovagal syncope में like vasovagal syncope में क्या होता है कि it used to like it suddenly trigger and it causes our heart rate and blood pressure, okay, to drop suddenly. हमारा जो normal heart rate है ना, और जो हमारा normal blood pressure that is 120/80, all those things ना, the all those rate ना, all those vital signs, it suddenly drop, okay. And if it suddenly drop, then क्या होगा? It leads to reduce blood flow to our brain, okay. तो उसका वजह से it will cause the loss of consciousness. Are you clear what is vasovagal syncope? You can also simply write down like this, like it is this vasovagal syncope, it used to trigger and it suddenly cause our heart rate and our blood pressure to drop suddenly, okay. And when our heart rate and blood pressure drops suddenly, then what will happen? It will reduce the blood flow to our brain. And because of that reason, a person will lose consciousness. In that simple way also you can understand. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in fainting, the unconscious state is usually brief and in vasovagal syncope. Means this might be the cause. So fainting can occur due to various reasons, such as fainting क्या का वजह से हो जाता है, क्योंकि fainting also we have to discuss because this is also a part of unconscious state, ना? So fainting can occur due to various reasons, such as emotional distress, when someone is emotionally disturbed, when someone is in anxiety, or someone is in so much of tense in emotional distress, and in that conditions, like there is a chances of him or her to cause this fainting, okay. And when someone is too much excessively tired, okay, he is too much tired, that can also be the reason behind fainting. And then hunger, okay, when you are too much like hunger, then that can also be the reasons of fainting. And standing up for a long period, I said now when you are having assembly in your school, okay, assembly के time पे तो बहुत सारा लोग faint हो जाता है ना, because some people cannot stand for a longer period of time. So those students like mainly suffer in this condition, that is fainting, okay. And then a sudden change in body position. So if you suddenly like change your body position, okay, in that case also there is chances of developing fainting, okay. Being a long time in a hot environment, agar like same thing, suppose you are like you're going for a march past, okay, during the Republic Day or Independence Days or whatever it is, you are marching there for a long period of time, or you're simply standing, okay, for in the hot environment for a long period of time, then there is a chances of this developing this fainting, okay. There's a chances of causing fainting, okay. And then children and the elderly can be more vulnerable to these causes. So what is vulnerable? Vulnerable? Anyone? Pata hone se bolo, nahi pata hone se, I'll just explain. What is vulnerable? Vulnerable. You know or you don't know? If you don't know, say, I'm always ready to speak out.
Hard to explain, ma'am.
Okay, so vulnerable means ना जिसका susceptible होता है, those who are prone. ये इसका तो immunity इतना low है, ये तो means in case of infection also. Suppose Carly and Jeevan, okay. Suppose Carly immunity is very low and Jeevan immunity is very high, okay. Like he is very strong enough. So that means Carly immunity is low. That's why he is very vulnerable to cause infection. उसको infection होने का, disease होने का chances ज़्यादा है. All those we call it as vulnerable. Are you clear? So children and elderly, they are more vulnerable to this cause. So children or elderly लोग ज़्यादा fainting होने का chances होता है as compared to adult. That is what it is mentioned. Are you clear? What vulnerable indicate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that was fainting. So when people faint, they are in unconscious state and it is brief and and they get like they get into this normal conscious state very easily, okay. It doesn't take that much longer period of time. So but longer period of unconsciousness are more serious. It's very serious, okay. So these longer period of unconscious that are serious can be the cause, okay, can be the cause of head injury, cardiac arrest, जिसका cardiac arrest होता है ना, cardiac arrest क्या था उस दिन ही मैंने explain किया था, cardiac arrest से cardiac arrest क्या है?
Heart stops functioning, ma'am.
Heart, okay, the heart stop functioning. Okay, very good. So when someone is in the state of cardiac arrest, when someone is having a head injury, when someone is having stroke, or someone is poisoning, okay, what is stroke? Stroke क्या है? Stroke क्या है? Stroke कैसे होता है? Stroke कैसे होता है? कोई बोलते हैं ना वो तो स्ट्रोक से गुजर गई, तो स्ट्रोक कैसे होता है? स्ट्रोक का मतलब है ना, दिस इज द सडन डेथ ऑफ ब्रेन सेल, ओके। हमारा ब्रेन में बहुत अनकाउंटेबल सेल, बिकॉज व्हाट इज सेल? सेल आर द बेसिक structural and functional unit of life, is not it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So when there is a sudden, obviously हमारा ब्रेन में भी तो सेल्स होगा ना, क्योंकि सेल्स के बिना तो we can't survive. So if there is a sudden death of our brain cell, okay, why this sudden death of brain cell occur? Due to lack of oxygen. तो lack of oxygen का वजह से ऐसा होने से this can cause the, means this can be caused by this blockage of blood flow or this rupture or whatever it is, okay. At that time what happened is that someone used to have stroke, someone used to have a condition called stroke. Are you clear? Or simply called that if there is a sudden death of brain cell due to lack of oxygen, okay. ये क्या से cause होता है? Due to blockage of blood flow or rupture of an artery to the brain. जब हमारा हमारा ब्रेन में आर्टरी होता है ना, आर्टरीज वेन्स वगैरह होता है, उसमें अगर रप्चर हुआ तो रप्चर होने से तो क्या होगा? ब्लड फ्लो जो है ब्लॉक हो जाएगा। तो ब्लड फ्लो ब्लॉक होने से क्या होगा? ऑक्सीजन जैसा नॉर्मली सप्लाई होता है वैसे सप्लाई नहीं हो पाएगा। तो अच्छा से ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं होने से क्या होगा? इट विल कॉज सडन डेथ टू आवर ब्रेन सेल व्हिच अल्टीमेटली लेड टू अ कंडीशन नोन एज स्ट्रोक। आर यू क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. In an unconscious state, the person will be unresponsive to your activities, okay? So all of you know this, to your activities, जैसे कि touching. So you are touching someone and if he is unconscious, he won't even feel that you are touching, and you are like speaking very loudly, okay? Then if you are unconscious, then you won't be able to hear that, okay? And if you give other stimulation, okay, you squeeze his hand or whatever it is, he won't feel anything. That is when a person is in unconscious state. Are you clear with this slide? Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next. Check the following. Now you already know, na? Now you already know unconscious का मतलब क्या है, कैसे होता है, you all already know. Now let us see when you find someone in front of you, okay, and he's unconscious. तो उसको क्या-क्या check करना है हम लोगों को, कैसे check करना है? So check the following, that is whether the person open his eyes and respond to simple questions, okay. You have to assess this कि वो अपना चोख खुल रहा है क्या, like he open the eyes or not, okay, and he responds to simple question or not. जैसे कि you are asking what is your name, and then the other one is where do you live, how old are you. These are the questions that you put to the patient in order to check whether he is conscious and could respond to the simple questions that you provide to him, okay. If he couldn't, then he is in a state of consciousness. Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether the person respond to simple command. The first one is the simple questions, the other one is command. Command क्या है? जैसे कि squeeze my hand. You are telling the patient, you are telling the victim or the casualty, squeeze my hand, mera hand squeeze karo na, like you please squeeze my hand. Then like he's not performing, he's not squeezing your hand. If he squeeze, then he's conscious. Okay, if squeeze my hand and then move your arm, leg, foot or hand, you will tell the excuse me, you will tell the casualty to move his arm, his leg, his foot, his hand. Okay, like if he doesn't move or if he doesn't show any kind of, if he doesn't show or follow any kind of command that you gave, okay, like then that it indicate that he is in unconscious state. Okay, and if there is no response, pinch the person and see if he open his eyes or move. So agar squeeze my hand bola, squeeze ही नहीं कर रहा है, move your arm, leg, hand बोला, move ही नहीं कर रहा है. Next is the only way is that बस उसको एक pinch दे दो. Pinch देने के बाद see whether he open his eyes or not and move his eyes or not. If he doesn't, then he is in unconscious state. Okay, and then if the person does not react to any of these stimuli, he is in an unconscious state, which I have already mentioned and explained. Are you clear with this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just try to remember the simple questions that you need to ask and the simple commands that you need to give to this patient casualty. Okay, next. When the person becomes conscious again after a period of unconsciousness, he might suffer from. So पहले तो हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, कमांड्स दिया, फिर भी वो रेस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है, तो he is in an unresponse, it is an unconscious state, ना? So now he was in unconscious state. Now he became conscious. So when the person become conscious again after a period of unconsciousness, he might suffer from confusion. Do you believe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he might suffer from confusion. He might suffer from drowsiness. All of you know now what is drowsiness?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. What is drowsiness?
Feeling sleepy, ma'am.
Yes, sleepiness, okay. Sleepiness. That sleepiness is the best term for drowsiness. So, sleepy feel hota hai. Okay, next. Light headache, okay. Means headache ho raha hai, lekin thoda light sa headache, okay. That the person will suffer. And then headache also. Light headacheness bhi ho sakta hai aur fir headache bhi ho sakta hai. So what is light headachenesss and headache? What is the difference? What is the difference?
In lightheadedness, ma'am, the person is not focused.
The person is not
focused, cannot concentrate.
Very good. The person is not focused. He is like, kaise bolo, like, in simply now we also used to call it as press syncope. All these things you write down, okay? Like you might need. This lightheadedness is also known as press syncope. PRESYNCOP. एक लाइन में एक वर्ड है, हाँ? Press syncope. PRESYNCOPE. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so a slight dizziness, all these are like headache. Okay? Uska headache hoga, lekin the headache will be like such kind of like a feeling dizzy type. It's feeling dizzy type that we call it as light headache. And headache to every one of you know. So the person might suffer from this condition. Okay, loss of bowel and bladder control, that is incontinence. Okay, that means normally the bowel movement that he pass and the bladder control, okay, all this will be incontinence, means like it will not be in its normal flow. Okay, so he might suffer from these conditions. अगर कोई इंसान अनकॉन्शियस स्टेट में है तो ये कॉन्शियस स्टेट में जब आएगा तो उसके बाद उसका बाउल मूवमेंट जो है वो लॉस भी हो सकता है, फिर एबनॉर्मल भी हो सकता है, और इसका ब्लडर कंट्रोल भी लाइक इट विल नॉट बी लाइक नॉर्मल, इट विल बी इनकंटिनेंस. So you understand this line, loss of bowel and bladder control?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Fits. Fits तो बहुत ज्यादा common है. Fits. When someone is in the unconscious state and suddenly conscious हो गया, तो उसका conscious होने के बाद ना he have the chances to suffer from this seizure. Okay, we call it as fits. So what was the other name of fits?
Convulsions, ma'am.
Very good. तो convulsion like abnormal body movement ऐसा होने का बहुत chances है. Okay. Difficulty in speaking. Obviously, इतना confusion होगा, इतना sleepy होगा, इतना drowsy होगा, इतना dizzy headed होगा, तो obviously उसका difficulty in speaking होगा. So these are also the conditions that you can see. Okay. So, and the first aider can measure and record a patient responsiveness and level of consciousness using the FVPU scale. तो उस दिन मैंने एडवांस सिखा दिया तुम लोगों को FVPU का स्केल का हिसाब से कैसे हम लोगों को पेशेंट का रेस्पॉन्सिवनेस लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस को कैसे रेट किया जाता है ना. I have already explained to you. So what was FVPU scale? मैंने सिखाया था रिससिटेशन, शायद मैंने जब सिखाया था तब सिखाया था FVPU scale. A stand for what? Wait, let me ask one person. Oh, okay. बालो, A का मतलब क्या है? If you don't know, I'll pass to Birwasri. If not, Kyoda.
Ma'am, pardon, please.
A का मतलब क्या है? FVPU scale बोलते हैं एक है ना, जो लेवल ऑफ रेस्पॉन्सिवनेस और कॉन्शियसनेस को चेक किया जाता है. तो ये A का मतलब क्या है? A का फुल फॉर्म नहीं पता तो नहीं पता बोल दो.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Birwasri, what is A?
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay, no problem. Kyoda, what is A? If you know, you say no. If you don't know, say you don't know. No problem.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Jeevan, you tell the answer to all your friends.
A stands for alert, ma'am. V
Very
stands
good.
for voice.
V for?
P stands for pain. V for voice, ma'am.
Okay, very good. U for?
Unresponsiveness.
Yes, unresponsiveness, or we also know it as unconsciousness. All of you, how can you forget this? मैंने इतना अच्छे से सिखाया था FVPU scale. A alert था, V response to voice था, P responding to pain था, U unresponsive या फिर unconscious था. ये alert को कैसे assess किया जाता है? All these things I have explained you all very nicely. I not only explain, I even send a PDF also. Am I right, Jeevan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next slide. Next is causes of unconsciousness. Okay, what are the causes of unconsciousness? So let us see one by one. Oh, Jeevan, please take attendance. There are many causes of unconsciousness, okay, and it can occur as a result of, let's see, as a result of a head injury resulting in a concussion of the brain or a compression of the brain due to swelling or bleeding. So these are the causes of unconscious. क्या का वजह से unconsciousness इंसान unconscious state में चला जाता है, okay? So what are the particular conditions that make the person remain in an unconscious state? So that is what it says about. So first of all, when someone is having a head injury that is resulting in a concussion of the brain or a compression of the brain due to how this concussion of the brain or compression of the brain occur due to swelling or bleeding that occurs in our brain. Okay, that occurs in our that occurs in our brain due to head injury. So what is concussion of the brain? What is concussion of the brain? Anyone? Concussion of the brain. Concussion, anyone? Concussion of the brain?
No, ma'am.
You can write down concussion. It is a traumatic brain injury, okay, that affect your brain function. Concussion is a traumatic brain injury that affect your brain function.
Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Okay, wait. Let me repeat slowly. Concussion is a traumatic brain injury that affect your brain function. Is my voice still breaking, Carly?
Breaking, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this concussion, okay, ये concussion का भी दूसरा नाम है, दूसरा नाम होता है. What was that? Mild traumatic. Write down mild traumatic brain injury. MILD. We also call it as mild traumatic brain injury. Traumatic का spell या traumatic, okay? Traumatic या traumatic. Mainly trauma बोलते हैं. You can like TRAUMATIC. Mild traumatic brain injury. ओके ये कंकशन ये जो है ना ऐसा टाइप का हेड इंजरी है जो लाइक इट यूज टू अफेक्ट आवर ब्रेन फंक्शनिंग. ओके हमारा जो ब्रेन का जो फंक्शनिंग है ना उसको लाइक अफेक्ट होता है दिस ट्रॉमा, दिस पर्टिकुलर दिस टर्म कंकशन. ओके so if the brain functioning is means affected, okay, then what will happen? There will be injury in our head. Are you clear? Concussion of the brain का वजह से head injury होगा बोला. Head injury resulting in concussion of the brain. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is compression of the brain? Compression. ये तो सबको पता है compression. अरे ये compression. Compress.
Pressure, ma'am.
Okay. कंप्रेस का मतलब क्या है? कंप्रेस मीन्स उसको ब्रेक करता है या फिर उसको प्रेस करता है टुगेदर?
Press together, ma'am.
Yes, press करता है. Very good. So compression, when you press, okay, this is the act of pressing. So when much pressure is applied over the brain, okay, the compression of the brain. So तब क्या होता? There is a chances of having this head injury. Okay, so what is that? Oh, okay. So head injury resulting in a concussion of the brain or a compression of the brain due to swelling or bleeding. Are you clear with this? This is the causes of unconsciousness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the next is unconsciousness can occur as a result of a disturbances of the blood supply to the brain. Obviously, हमारा brain पे पूरा normally, okay, like friendly or smoothly blood supply used to be, blood used to supply, okay, blood supply used to take place. So once there is disturbances in the blood supply to the brain, then okay, then there is a chances of this developing or the chances of occurrence or the chances of resulting in fainting, shock or stroke. Okay, it's very, very much common. So agar blood supply में in the brain में disturbance हुआ तो there is chances of unconsciousness. So this is also another second causes of unconsciousness. Are you clear? Unconscious क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है? Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, if there is unconsciousness will occur if there is disturbances in the chemical composition of the blood. Okay, that is lack of oxygen as in asphyxia. जब किसी इंसान का asphyxia होता है तो there is lack of oxygen supply to the lung, right? So when there is lack of oxygen, that is in asphyxia, when there is abnormal blood sugar level in diabetes, okay? Because in diabetes में क्या होता है? Diabetes में sugar level कम होता है या ज़्यादा होता है?
ज्यादा
भी होता है मैम, कम भी करा जा सकता है.
Mainly when we term it as diabetes. Mainly when we term it as diabetes.
ज़्यादा मैम.
When
ज़्यादा होता है मैम.
this amount of sugar level in our blood, in our blood or in our body, whatever it is. So in that case, what happens? There is chances of developing this diabetes. Okay, the sugar level, all this chemical composition, there will be disturbances. Okay, normal value se zyada ho jata hai. Okay, and if there is any kind of presence of poisonous substances in the blood, because when someone intake or inhale or swallowed the poisonous substance, the poisonous drugs or substance, whatever it is. Okay, so in that case, what happens is that there will be disturbances in the blood, so which ultimately cause the like disturbances in the value of the chemical composition, okay, which is present in our blood. So due to that, there is a chances of developing unconsciousness. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our human body, it mainly comprises of how many elements? Any idea? Chemical composition of human body. I'll ask you all in my next class, okay? Because only 1 minute left. What are the what are the chemical compositions of human body? क्योंकि वो chemical composition में ही तो disturbances होगा ना, तो जानना पड़ेगा chemical composition जो है वो क्या है? Okay, I want to take more, but there is no more time. Okay, I'll inform you. Okay, once the converting is over, I'll request you all to join again. Okay, then for now, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.